We have just finished first model of Keep Calm and Interpet course, like crash course.
I was a student of this crash course of interpreting, and it was really fantastic.
That's really a fascinating experience for me and for my colleagues.
I will have a lot of fruitful and hard work to do.
It's an enormous experience that could really enrich not only your professional skills, but your life as well.
What I found here was not only like raw learning material, but also the whole educational environment and the atmosphere of learning.
I like to learn something new that acquires the skills that I don't have right now, and I want to develop them and to progress.
We get 20% of theory and 80% of real-time interpreting the videos, interpreting some live resources, interpreting real people.
It was really interesting to work with the video materials.
So thanks to Agency of International Cooperation for this opportunity.
I would be glad to see everybody here at the second module because I'm gonna go there, so it's really fascinating.
And actually we are looking forward for the second model, and thank you so much guys for organizing such a useful course.
Thank you and good luck. Keep calm and interpret. Good luck.